If you want to create engaging explainer videos, whiteboard animation is a great place to start. In this video, we'll check out some of the best whiteboard animation software. So let's start with Number 1. Powtoon is a web-based whiteboard animation software that relies on ready-made templates instead of detailed animation timelines. Videos are created by arranging slides with preset animations and transitions, keeping the workflow simple. Content is added through drag-and-drop elements such as characters, icons, text, shapes, and backgrounds. Animations are applied automatically, eliminating manual motion control and ensuring consistent behavior across slides. This approach works well for presentations and basic explainer videos. It includes AI-assisted tools such as text suggestions, script generation, text-to-speech voiceovers, and basic content structuring. Certain whiteboard effects, such as the hand-drawing animation, require precise manual placement and timing. This manual adjustment can slow down the creation of detail-oriented or high-density videos. Pricing includes a free watermarked plan, a professional plan at $40 per month, billed annually, and a business plan at $125 per month with expanded features. Number 2. Doodly is known for Smart Draw technology, which allows users to create realistic hand-drawn videos on various surfaces, including whiteboards, blackboards, glassboards, and greenboards. The process is simple. Pick an image from their massive library or upload your own. It then automatically creates the drawing motion for you. For custom images, you can even tell the software exactly which lines to draw first using draw paths. To finish your project, you can layer in voiceovers, background music, and choose from dozens of different hand styles to match your brand. Just keep in mind the new pricing. You'll need a Voomly cloud subscription for about $49 a month. Number 3. Instadoodle lets users create videos much faster than traditional software. Its core strength is the Doodle AI engine, which can automatically generate whiteboard scenes directly from your script. Instead of manually selecting every character and prop, you simply enter your text and let the AI suggest visuals, making the process quick and beginner-friendly. The platform includes over 1,000 built-in Doodle assets in the base version, with additional professional assets available through optional upgrades. It also allows you to convert your own images or logos into Doodle-style artwork, which is especially useful for maintaining brand consistency. It is mainly sold as a one-time lifetime purchase, making it more budget-friendly than subscription-based tools. However, advanced AI features and unlimited asset packs are typically offered as optional upgrades. Since it's cloud-based, performance depends on internet speed, and some AI-generated visuals may need minor manual adjustments. Overall, it's a strong choice for creators who value speed and automation. Number 4. Canva is a popular online design platform that can also be used to create simple whiteboard-style animation videos, even though it is not a dedicated whiteboard animation tool. It uses a drag-and-drop canvas where users arrange sketch images, icons, arrows, and text to build scenes quickly without complex timelines. The platform offers a huge library of graphics, templates, fonts, and stock visuals, making it easy to assemble whiteboard layouts. It also includes a speed paint feature that can animate uploaded sketch images with a hand-drawing effect, allowing creators to simulate whiteboard animation after designing a scene. However, animation control is more limited compared to specialized whiteboard animation software, since the drawing effect mainly works with prepared sketch images. It runs mainly in the browser and follows a freemium model, with the free plan available and Canva Pro unlocking premium assets, apps, and advanced export options. Number 5. Videoscribe is one of the longest-running and most trusted tools in the whiteboard animation space, often regarded as a classic choice among creators. It has a large asset library, which includes thousands of images and icons, along with strong customization options such as 100+ hand styles and drawing tools. This gives users greater control over the visual style of their videos. It also includes AI features like image generation and script help, although how much you can use them depends on the plan you choose. The software works both as a desktop app and in a web browser, which is helpful if you prefer offline work or faster performance. Unlike one-time purchase tools, Videoscribe uses a subscription-only model. It offers a 7-day free trial, with paid plans billed annually starting at around $8.95 per month on the Lite plan. Number 6. If you want to create explainer videos that combine 2D, 3D, and whiteboard animation without spending weeks learning complex software, Explaindio is built for you. It simplifies the process by using a step-by-step scene layout instead of a confusing traditional animation timeline, so you can manage pacing and transitions for each individual scene with ease. The software features a massive hybrid library that includes characters, icons, and text effects that follow fixed motion presets, ensuring consistent visuals without manual keyframe editing. Choose from a wide variety of drawing hands, pens, and even erase by hand to match the specific tone and personality of your message. You can choose a monthly plan for $37, an annual subscription for $67, or a one-time best deal payment of $497. Number 7. Mango Animate Whiteboard Animation Maker is a streamlined tool for creating professional explainer videos through a structured, scene-based workflow. Users build content by dragging characters, icons, and shapes from an extensive built-in library onto a canvas and applying hand-drawing or motion presets. While it simplifies the process, it offers more depth than basic makers via a multi-track timeline for precise synchronization of audio, captions, and effects. Key features include dynamic camera controls, zoom, pan, and rotate, and the ability to create custom motion paths for objects. The platform also features AI-powered text-to-speech, automatic voiceover generation, and the ability to use custom images as drawing hands. A free version is available, while a paid perpetual license starts at $59, unlocking HD exports and unlimited assets. Number 8. Animaker is an online animation platform designed for creating explainer videos, presentations, and simple whiteboard-style animations. It focuses on a scene-based editor where users build videos by adding characters, text, and props, then applying ready-made movements and actions instead of manually animating everything from scratch. The platform lets you arrange scenes on a timeline, adjust how long elements stay on screen, and control when animations happen. One of its strongest features is character customization, allowing you to change expressions, poses, and actions while keeping the same character consistent throughout the video. It also includes helpful AI tools such as automatic character creation, text-to-speech voiceovers, basic script help, and subtitle generation, which can speed up the production process. However, whiteboard animation is not its main focus, so the hand-drawing effects and sketch-style controls are more limited compared to dedicated whiteboard software. It offers a free plan with export restrictions, along with paid subscriptions $15 per month for higher quality downloads and commercial use. Number 9. Easysketch Pro is the software which automates the process of creating whiteboard animation videos. Instead of working with complex timelines, it focuses on a simple scene-based approach where you add images, text, or videos and apply drawing effects that make them appear as if they are being sketched in real time. The software includes a built-in library of sketch images, music tracks, and drawing hands, and it also allows you to import your own graphics or even short video clips. One useful feature is the ability to draw over photos or reveal colored images after the outline is sketched, which helps create more visually engaging scenes. Easysketch Pro runs as desktop software rather than in the browser, which some users prefer for offline work. However, its interface feels a bit dated compared to newer animation platforms, and customization options are more limited. It is sold as a one-time purchase instead of a subscription. Number 10. Vyond is a professional animation platform built for businesses and educators who need polished, story-driven videos rather than casual social media animations. It's designed around a scene-based editor where users can add characters, dialogue, text, and props, then apply ready-made movements and expressions to bring the story to life without needing advanced animation skills. The platform is especially known for its large character library and detailed customization options, allowing you to adjust clothing, facial expressions, gestures, and voice timing to keep scenes consistent throughout a video. It also includes templates for training videos, marketing explainers, and presentations, helping users build structured content faster. It also supports AI voiceovers, automatic lip sync, and subtitle tools that simplify production from script to export. Vyond runs fully online and is offered through subscription-based plans, which starts from $58 per month, and this might be expensive for beginners. So these were some of the great whiteboard animation software that you can try. Drop a like and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. Goodbye.